In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Meta Facebook pixel to Shopify. Before we dive in, here's what we're doing and why it matters. The Meta pixel is a small piece of tracking code that helps you measure how people interact with your Shopify store after seeing your ads on Facebook and Instagram. It lets you track conversions, build audiences, and optimize your campaigns. To connect it, you'll need your Pixel ID and access to your Shopify admin. First, grab your Pixel ID from Meta Business Suite or Facebook Events Manager. In Events Manager, choose the pixel you use for your ads. You'll see a numeric Pixel ID near the top of the screen or in the settings for that data source. If you manage multiple pixels, make sure you select the one that matches the ad account and website domain you plan to track. If you don't see a pixel, you may need the right permissions in Business Manager. Or you might need to ask an admin to share access. When you copy the ID, copy only the number string, no spaces or extra characters. Now switch to your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, confirm you're in the correct store, then go to Online Store and open Preferences. This is where Shopify keeps your basic site and tracking settings. Take a moment to scroll slowly so you don't miss the section you need. In the Preferences page, look for the Facebook Pixel area. It may be labeled Facebook Pixel or Meta Pixel, depending on your interface. Click into the field and paste the Pixel ID you copied. Double-check that it's a clean paste with no leading or trailing spaces. If you previously had a different pixel connected, make sure you replace it with the correct one so your ad reporting stays consistent. When you're done, scroll to the bottom or top of the page and click Save. Wait for the confirmation message from Shopify to ensure your changes are stored. If you don't see a confirmation, click Save again and verify your internet connection. After saving, it can take a little time for events to start appearing in Events Manager, especially if your store doesn't have traffic yet. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your Pixel ID handy in a secure document for future reference. Avoid sharing it publicly, and make sure any ad blockers are turned off when you're testing your site so tracking can run properly. If your theme or apps modify checkout or landing pages, review those settings to keep tracking consistent. That's it. Your Meta Pixel is now connected to Shopify and ready to power smarter advertising.